Mukuru w'ekitongole kya Lions Club mu Uganda Allen Tushunaturinda ayakirwe ba memba ho muri Mbarara kandi ubwanyuma batwara obuhwezo bw'ebyo kuri hamwe n'ebindi bikoreso aha Divine Mercy Babies Home.
Divine Mercy Babies Home. So these are areas abambarare balikora barayanzo mu Uganda nitukole ebintu bingi twine nka 9 areas. We have this year we are promoting okuyamba abantu kugamba nabo kulebeka ngo bayamba abana mu mashomero through mental health talks, mental health and well-being, kugira ngo abana turebere ngo hariho obuzibu bwingi omu bana obumwe butayambibwa in time kugamba nabo ninga kushanga abana batari opening up ekiri kuba teganisa.
Yeah, we have a total population of 198 as of today. So the number is big. Normally mothers, I give an example based on the mothers. The mothers, we know how we suffer with our children. You have 2 children at home. Every time is a struggle. So imagine 198 children in one home. It's not easy, but we're making it.
Volunteers. Ukubalayo nichimanisa wazo mkintu iwe ni urabe no jirota no hayo kandi oboye kundira ati no kujirota okujemere na witse waraye nditubanye kundire kandi bitwakorera izoba tabukatuye kundire.
Abahona bahitire na hishomero rya St Helens Primary School kuganira na mukuru wariyo okumanye bakubasa kubahweraho
abana tuba kwandika mu exercise books nibakozesa braille papers kandi braille papers zabo ziri expensive kandi tokushanga mu buruduke yo kuzamu bene nkabashabire ngo kuba kutuyeza empapura z'abana bakwandikaho kandi tukafuna na computer zabo izibara kukozesa abo kube zabo nizibaze mu sound twafuna computer zo abana nabo bakamanya ngo twine computer yitu tukubasa kuzaho tukatypingaho akayitu ninga tukegeraho ekitwenda kwega. Omugani makuru aba Lions Club muri Sinjiro birukanjirira abakazi benda bahereze kuzara aharwe kubohere center ya Kana irware rukukizayo kuzaza abakazi abaramwe abanya-Uganda hamwe n'empunji okurwa mu kampi ya Nakivale.
Bano basako barira omwaka rwe kubuntu basakusavinga abantu bakwerenge mutwaro 20. So eje nenamba mpango ayitubintu etagera support y'abantu abemba tuyamba munonga bebari yaba UNHCR abantu abo ahi Trump yikiremo buyambi obuhereza bukasuma
twasimira kimwe abo buyambo mwathereza bazumanite nzafitaha muri kigenejo
ekiba kikozere nk'akabonero ko kushemerwa gavana wabo musya kandi babandize kutera bando kwemurukana bwanyuma nkwe kutwara obuhwezi aha abakazi benda harwe kubohere center ya Kana.
Mwene Lions Club wakwata mukazi no wakwata ahihanga lyona so mwe bare munonga kora needs assessment omuri byo nebirarwe kubo mukatekateka mukazi ukwashemokana azaraje kandi akatunga amagara marungi akazara n'umwana oriki
azima narasima kana asima narahango abareta bare kwigisha mukatwa mwatereza kama baherezo mugisha.
Allen Tushunaturinda Gavana musya hijire ba memba ba Lions Club muri Sinjiro kushenda abantu okubegitaho bakatungure kibina.
I really feel that you are the true bichunchu we have. Ebichunchu muri Sinjiro ebyaye hayokwe to akorera abantu bit kandi ndakwebaza na district kugira ngo irinitwe kandi irinimwe and ndikureba Sinjiro is going to be a mighty club in this region.
Ahabwa TV West and era achiza na Ruth Nuwamanya.